Hey guys, Queen of Hearts here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this big fluffy hair that is so bouncy. You can shake, 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 honey. I love big hair. If you're looking for a quick, I would say this hairstyle will probably last 3 to 4 days before I feel like I need to touch it up again. So if you're looking for something of that effect that doesn't take long to do, low maintenance, all I do is put a bonnet on, get in a bed, wake up and shake it. If you're looking for something like that, make sure to keep watching this video. As always, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys are able to use this video as a guide to help you, whether you're transitioning, if you're fully natural, because I am. I don't even know how long it's been. A couple years, actually more than a couple years. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here is the outcome, and I'm gonna get a close-up here. You can see that some curls are defined and some aren't, and that's the uniqueness of it. I love how the frizziness of it makes it just so much more voluminous and just big. Like, I love big hair. Let me tell you something, the bigger the better. Anyways, let me stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. Also, because I feel like this is talking louder than me right now, don't even worry about it. I don't know what's going on. I drank one sip of Coke and now this is here. But anyways, we are starting off with what is this? These are twists that I had up under a wig. I flat twisted my hair and put a wig on, and I took it out like 2-3 days later. So yeah, I just tried to lay my edges down some. But yeah, so what we're gonna do first is section the hair down the middle, and we're going to just put it up. I think I want to do this side first. I'm gonna put this side up. What side is this on? This side, I believe. And I'm not gonna do super straight parts because I just don't care that much. I would just like my hair to be more defined, or my curls to be more defined than what they were. So the products I'm using today are water. I have water in this bottle here. I'm also going to use detangling brush, and I am using this As I Am detangling conditioner. This is a leave-in tangle releaser conditioner. So it looks like this if you're interested, or you can use whatever leave-in conditioner you have. Really, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna start by finger parting off a section. It's gonna be about this much hair, and then I'm going to put this away with this scrunchie, and I'm just gonna wet it a little because I don't need my hair to be too wet. I need this to dry overnight, and my hair takes literally forever to dry. So I'm just gonna wet it. That didn't come out. Just a little, just to moisten it a bit and to make it easier to detangle. I'm just kind of raking it a little, just loosening it up here. And this part is gonna stay from the last time, so I'm just gonna do a middle part. I'm gonna add this leave-in conditioner here, about that much. If I do need some more, I'll go back in and add it, but for now we'll just start with that. And then you want to make sure to detangle your hair. I should have started at the end, but that wasn't a bad part. So we're gonna start at the end here and work our way up. Let me grab this. So now you see, let me move this. So now you see that it is detangling, getting all the kinks out. And I'm just going to be doing 2-strand flat twists. 2 pieces here. Put one under and grab hair with the other finger. Put that under. Grab you some more hair from this side right here. Put that under. And you just repeat. Grab hair and take it under. Grab hair and take it under. And I can tell it's a little dry. That part didn't get enough moisture, so I'm just gonna add some as I go and bring it down. And just bring it all the way down. And if you need to detangle again as you go through it, make sure to do so. So your twist, when it's time to take it out, they won't be all matted together and tangled up. So if you need to detangle, please do so. Adding a little bit more water. I'm putting this behind my ear. And like I said, just take it all the way down. Detangle as needed. And I am, once we get to the end, going to add some product so we can have those curly ends. And so that will, that product will set. And here's what it looks like so far. And we're gonna keep twisting down. And I'm gonna do this throughout my whole head. I'm not too particular today about like the sizing. If you wanted like a more like big fluffy look, you can do bigger twists. I guess I'm going for like medium size. So as you can see, I'm at the bottom. I'm just gonna grab some more product and put it on the ends here. And I am 100% natural. So once I get to where I can't twist anymore, I am going to finger coil at the bottom. Get that product in there. And that's going to be the end of that one. We're just going to take another section of whatever size twist you want and repeat. Not sure if I said this or not, but the more fluffy you want them, the bigger twist you do. The more defined you want them, the smaller you do the twist. Hey, baby. You took it. Oh yeah, wait till you forevermore. guys, so I have finished twisting my hair, and we're gonna talk about what this looked like, but just know it's gonna get the job done, okay? And here's the side. If it's not dry, I do tend to put it in a ponytail and just do something with my edges and my face to look presentable for work. But if it is, I will come back. Well, I'm gonna come back regardless and show you guys what it looks like when it is completely dry and how I fluff it up and make it look, you know, just bouncy and flowy and just getting ahead of myself. But I will come back when this is completely dry. All right guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.